guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a quick install on this fire extinguisher bracket that I've picked up today. So I said in a previous video that I'll be getting one of these and wanted to install it. So yep, picked it up today. This one is made by Evolution X Design, which is an Australian company, sold through AK Racing. So I'll have a link to it in the description. So yep, grab that. Just grab this fire extinguisher from Autobarn. This one was $35 I think, and this bracket was 70. And just grab a few bolts just to mount up here. Okay, so this one is going to go down in the passenger floor like this. So we'll just have to pull these plastic covers out. Pretty sure these are, yep, there we go, it's going to pop out and unclip. Then this bolt here is what we're going to be undoing, and that's how we'll be mounting it. So I'll just pop the other clip off, I'll undo these bolts, and we'll see how we're looking from there. Okay, so we have both these plastic covers off, which reveals these two bolts. So for those you'll need a 15mm okay, so I'm not sure why, but so this one, which we loosened already, was a 15mm. And for some reason this one on this side is a 14mm. So yep, I'm not sure if that's going to happen when you go to install yours, or someone's put a wrong bolt back in the seat frame for mine, but something that I've found. So I'll just get the rest of this bolt off and we'll get the bracket on. Okay, so we have both the bolts out, this side being a 15mm, the other side for some reason being a 14mm. So now I want to put this in. Before we do that, we might just mount this fire extinguisher sort of holder onto the bracket. Otherwise it's going to be a bit hard to get the bolts on once it's on there. So I just grabbed a couple of M6 bolts, nuts and washers, and we'll just see what we need to get it to fit firmly. We have our bracket, and I've just mounted the fire extinguisher holder onto it. So I just got some M6 bolts and nuts from Bunnings and just tightened that on, so hopefully that sits alright. So in these two holes here, they are going to go down here. So if you lift the seat, you see a little hole there, so it'll actually sit underneath that piece. So I'll get that on now and show you how it sits, and then we'll put the bolts back in. Okay, so there it is, fitted in. As you can see, this little clip here is down holding through that little hole that was in it, which means we can then put our bolt back in where it was. So I'll tighten those two up now, then we'll put the fire extinguisher on and put these clips back on, and we should be done. Okay, so we have the bracket in, the fire extinguisher holder in, bolts are all done back up. Here's our fire extinguisher itself, so we'll put it in. We'll put our plastic brackets back in. And the back one. Okay, so we're all finished here. This is the end result. I've angled the extinguisher to sit a bit nicer. Definitely looks great, and the seat can still move forward and backwards, isn't obstructed at all. So very happy with it. Well worth $105 total for the extinguisher and the bracket together. Highly recommended. It's something that you don't want to need, but if you do need it, it's good to have there. So yeah, that'll be it for today, guys. Thanks heaps for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.